So after creating your vault, adding devices, you probably want to run some plannings against your device. But before running your plannings, you need to get yourself familiar with the concept of data parsers and our TextFSM templates. So before actually working with plannings, we need to learn about templates. Slurpit uses the open source TextFSM framework from Google. So we have a lot of available templates for you to use, but if you want, you can write your own template as well. So this is the template section, and here on this side we have the operating system, we have the associated command, and so on. So since I am more familiar with iOS, I am going to filter based on that, and let's grab here command interface. Hit enter, and we have these commands. We have 14 templates, rather 14 commands, I believe. And let's open one of them. Cisco iOS show interfaces. This is a good one. So I'm going to open this one, and you can edit the operating system. You can edit the command. You can change the name of the template. But this is the actual parser. This is the TextFSM template that you can modify or completely delete and add yours. But this is how we parse data. We can also validate the syntax and basically the indentation and anything that comes with it. And it says it is a check. It is basically everything is all right. So this is regarding the syntax. We can also have this live template tester, and it is going to actually run against the device and brings back the data in structured format, because that's the whole idea of parsers, right? We have a raw data, and we want to make this structured data, and raw data is unstructured. So I'm gonna put in one IP address, and as you can see, we have a drop-down menu of all the available devices that we have. 49 is what I want. Vault is going to be admin, the only thing I have, and I'm using the scale of 125% on my desktop. That's why you don't see the button here. But if I zoom out, you see this test here. So I'm going to test it. And this is the structured data back. So this is the output of the command show interfaces, but in a structured format. It is in JSON, right? Key and value pairs. But if I want the raw output, it is going to bring back the original output of this command. If you type in show interfaces in the CLI on your device, then that is going to be your raw output, the output that most network engineers are familiar with. So I'm going to test this as well. And this is the exact thing that you will get if you type in show interfaces on the CLI. So I'm going to close this as well, try to reset the scaling. So from here, you can, so we saw that we could edit the templates. We can also remove the templates, and we can copy these templates. You can also create a template from scratch by adding it. You can also import or export templates to use them elsewhere. So in the next video, we're going to talk about planning, and again, in the planning section, there is something that I need to tell you about templates. But with planning, we can actually run these commands against our devices and get the output and work with the data. So I will see you in the next video.